Unleash the power of quinoa, the ultimate bodybuilder's secret weapon. Picture this. You're a dedicated bodybuilder, putting in hours at the gym every day, pushing your body to its limits, and constantly seeking new ways to optimize your training diet. You've tried countless protein sources, but have you ever considered quinoa? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of quinoa and discover why it should become a staple in every bodybuilder's diet. Quinoa, often referred to as a superfood, is a highly nutritious, gluten-free seed that originates from the Andean region of South America. It has been consumed for thousands of years by indigenous peoples, and it's now making waves in the fitness community for its impressive nutritional profile. But what exactly makes quinoa such a powerful addition to a bodybuilder's diet? First and foremost, quinoa is an excellent source of high-quality protein. In fact, it's one of the few plant-based foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. This is crucial for bodybuilders, as amino acids are the building blocks of muscles. Consuming a diet rich in complete proteins ensures that your body has the necessary resources to repair and grow your muscles after an intense workout. In addition to being a complete protein, quinoa is also packed with other essential nutrients that support muscle growth and overall health. It's rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full for longer periods of time. This is particularly beneficial for bodybuilders who are trying to maintain a lean physique while consuming a high-protein diet. Quinoa is also a great source of iron, magnesium, and zinc, which are essential minerals for muscle growth and recovery. Iron plays a key role in the transportation of oxygen to your muscles, while magnesium helps to regulate muscle contractions and prevent cramping. Zinc, on the other hand, is involved in protein synthesis and supports a healthy immune system. Now, let's talk about the cost-benefit analysis of incorporating quinoa into your bodybuilding diet. While quinoa may be slightly more expensive than other protein sources like rice or pasta, the benefits far outweigh the costs. The high-quality protein, essential nutrients, and versatility of quinoa make it an excellent investment in your long-term health and fitness goals. Incorporating quinoa into your diet is incredibly easy, as it can be prepared in a variety of ways. You can cook it like rice, use it as a base for salads or grain bowls, or even incorporate it into protein-packed snacks like energy bars. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. So, are you ready to take your bodybuilding diet to the next level? Give quinoa a try and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks to optimize your training diet, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. In conclusion, quinoa is a powerful addition to any bodybuilder's diet. Its high-quality protein, essential nutrients, and versatility make it an excellent choice for those looking to optimize their training and achieve their fitness goals. So, don't wait any longer, start incorporating quinoa into your diet today and unleash the power of this incredible superfood.